6 masks you can make at home to get rid of acne. When it comes to acne, some individuals are extremely unlucky. Acne and acne scars are results of your skin creating too much oil and your pores getting clogged. There are several mixtures that you can use to get rid of acne and its scars. They will not only help get rid of it, but also will ensure that they do not come back in the future. When in search of ingredients to make a face mask for your acne, go in search for those with antimicrobial ingredients like baking soda, aloe vera, and vinegar. In today's video, we are going to present to you 6 options to use in making a face mask. Before we begin, please click on the notification icon so you can get alerts on new content. Number 1. Cinnamon mask. You will need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 teaspoons of honey, and 3 teaspoons of aloe vera. Mix, rub into your face and leave for 10 minutes. Wash with warm water and you are done. 2. Baking soda mask. You would need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix in a bowl, rub into your skin. For about 2 minutes, leave for 10 minutes and rinse with warm water. 3. Dairy-based mask. You would need 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of raw milk, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. For this, use cotton to apply generously for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Number 4. Tea-based mask. You would need 1 tablespoon of green tea or a tea bag, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 3 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix and massage your face in a circular motion for about 2 minutes. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off with warm water. 5. Vinegar-based mask. You would need baking soda, honey, and apple cider vinegar. This mask would be applied to the face and left to sit for 15 minutes. If you desire the exfoliating benefits of baking soda, then use warm cloth to apply with a little pressure. Be sure to rinse off afterward with warm water. Number 6. Fruit-based. You're going to need lemon, coconut or olive oil, honey, and papaya. This mask should be left to stay on the face for about 10 to 15 minutes and allowed to soak in. Keep in mind that your pillows are clean and that you should stop picking your face. This should ensure that you do not transfer any bacteria back onto your face. Thanks for watching. Share with us your thoughts and contributions in the comment section. Click the like and subscribe buttons for more content.